Hello, my name's Ben from Coachman Caravans. Today I'd like to show you around the Coachman Lusso 1. The Lusso is without question the most luxurious caravan we have ever produced. It has been designed without compromise to create something that is truly special. For now though, come with me and let's take a closer look at this fantastic touring caravan. The Lusso exterior is pure white in colour. This is beautifully contrasted by the full-length exterior graphics, which are packed with detail. These graphics seamlessly wrap around the primo exterior windows, which are darkened for privacy. The exterior is finished with the signature chrome Lusso badging. The Lusso is equipped with the E&P self-levelling system. This system utilises hydraulic jacks to level the caravan before putting down all 4 corner steadies. This means an uneven caravan pitch is no longer an issue for a Lusso owner. The Lusso comes with the Alco Secure wheel lock, one of the leading security devices available for your caravan. Other external key features are the 100-watt solar panel, roof-mounted 4G Wi-Fi. The Lusso is also equipped with an underslung freshwater tank, which is suitable for all year-round use. The Lusso 1 is an 8-foot wide single-axle caravan and features a layout that is completely unique. The front of the caravan has a spacious L-shaped lounge. It comes with a freestanding table which can be easily stowed away in its dedicated storage compartment. The luxury kitchen benefits from high-gloss upper locker door and coordinating microwave surround, with individually lit under-counter pan drawers. Sat between is the premium quality composite work surface in grey pebble design. It has extended workspace at the front and a large lift-up extension to the side. Pull-out baskets provide a clever and practical storage solution. The Lusso 1 has a tall, slimline Dometic fridge with separate freezer compartment. The transverse island bed in the Lusso is positioned on the off side of the caravan. It easily retracts during the day to provide more space for moving around the caravan. It also provides storage underneath, which can be accessed from the outside. There is overhead locker storage and bedside cabinets, with the wardrobe positioned on the near side. The wider, centrally located washroom door continues this feeling of space. The washroom features toilet, colour-coordinated sit-on vanity bowl, and separate shower. Internally, the Lusso offers a high level of finish, with items such as the rich Leander wood grain, which is beautifully contrasted by the upper locker doors, a backlit luxury padded headboard, and soft close hinges to upper locker doors. It features a high level of specification, Alder wet central heating for year-round comfort, and the Alder flow system, which provides continuous hot water for longer showers. Truma Comfort air conditioning with heat function, under-counter domestic style extractor fan, and under-bed safe for your personal belongings. Our design team have worked hard to ensure the feeling of luxury flows throughout the Lusso.